Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back. In our last video, this is Finance 5546. In last video, we have discussed about the splits. It's correct to apply in this formula. So now we are verify whether the dividends is correct as well. So we use the norms to verify whether the information in here is still correct. So in here we are changing it to norm norms norms it's norms. So the first one is 8.0. It looks a little bit weird, so we just scan the function in the Mantica, and we need to print the. Let's do it again. So we can find the first one. It's 0.4444. No, not. It's not the same to my. But we can find the last one is the same. So the question is whether the task is correct or not. Should be one divide. So the first, so this actually should be right. I mean, so we need to put the bugs again to see whether the I just need to find whether the value divides the period close. Factor is 1 minus factor is a value so we cannot adjust this. We need to factor is we need to use this. I think cannot use this. We need to adjust this one because we need for this one is also apply this. If I change this, I can add the lower. So I need to adjust this. The value, not the value, is the yes. So if I do this again, it'll be 0.44. Yes, I got it. So that's correct. So that's correct about this. So we have done that well. It's copied with my outcome. So we have done that. Calculate adjust factor. It's good. So adjust factor is adjust factor. So we have finished these things. So the next is adjust price. Adjust price is good, I think. Not around the turn. And this is group price by date. What is the group price by date? It's a change of format. I think it group price by date. When we use the grouper by date, it works well, but we need to pay attention to calculate equal weighted index. Calculated return index is what is that used for? So it's in the question about index in the latter part. Share to hold on. So I do not So start index 100 and then 9.3 is the number of share. Actually, I do not fully understand what does that mean. Calculate portfolio return. What is portfolio return? Portfolio return is 0. What does that mean? So we need to ask portfolio return corporate action. So easy coding user corporate return? Actually no. Group price. So we need to close the data, close, and go back to here. Go back to the main Python. So we use the correct. So we have done the first part. So what we are supposed to do is the index part. So but the question is that the PPT did not illustrate the wrong in mind Python rapid did not illustrate the illustrate the real founder calculate real product. So it's a transfer of the method. So we can ask the GPT about whether it is correct or not. I think it's right. It's the most convenient one. It's the most. Yes, I think it's correct. So the portfolio return is good. So the final one is this guys with index. So we need to see whether the index is correct or not. So what is that used for? Sorted date, sorted results, predate none. I have no idea. I'm prefer to say it's correct. I like to say it's correct because and not be told to I think it's right. I'd like to say it's correct. So let's use O sticker to see the final outputs. Shares to hold on 2021. What does that mean? So it's going to define the mem body, define my index summary, start, close share to hold on. First state, index summary. What does that mean? First date is sorted date 0. I'd like to say it's correct. So let's just reopen the activity diagram and submit and correct it. Go. Flowchart correct. Function task apply action line relines. Import the data. So we need to first is the import data, and then use the forest caption action line. This is for storage, for taking ticker. Function manipulation. Else, I think it's good enough. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 contains 6. So I've not changed anything. So that's good. I can put in here in my this table, and for ED we need to submit, put in here, correct. And the question issue 1, does this is first. So let's go to the 6. So for the its notes is issue 1 double jumping before, after deleting the year issue 1 issues double jumping before, after, yes. And so it's the various price function. It's first one price lines. Yes, next one is corporate action. Corporate action, no as well. It's the prioritize corporate action. Yes, you. So I do not know the vocabulary of the. Sorry, wait a minute. No, not this guys. This guys is the. No, this guy. Ah, yes. To English. So we just blanket. What does that mean? It's just a space. It contains space. Key question before. Another key value putting the data in the. Sorry, we need to the data into the. Graph. Yes. So next one is the calculate accumulated adjustment. No. That's the most toughest question. So I'd like to say there are 3 questions, but cover not accumulated. The next is wrong introductional factor. Term order. Yes. So the next one is the adjust prices. Adjust prices is good. The group date is good. The calculate portfolio return by date is good. Return is good. Sorry for that. Portfolio return. So the question that I have just escaped. Adjust price. Adjust price. Adjust price is good. Group price by date is just changing the format. It's good. So the calculate portfolio return is weird. Group price by date, yes, just changing the format, and the just price is just price. So adjust price is so at adjust price we need to load. We need to say calculate portfolio return. Available on both dates. Now this one, it's the final. Yes, adjust price is. So if the factor is correct, we just added in the facts. If factor is good, adjust factor date. Adjust factor. Adjust for times the price times adjust factor. Times date. Yes. So it's the wrong return. No worry for this. No need to do this. If the adjustment factor is correct, so we can just see here. Adjust price. Norms 77.2. Adjust price is good. Adjust price factor. Adjust price. I think it's good. Result equals to the adjust, because it result is adjust price with factor 0. Yes, it's good. No worries. Adjust price is good enough as well. Adjust price good as well. The group by date is good as well. So let's just calculate where the return. So the calculate portfolio return. So it's just the group by date. Calculate portfolio return. Calculate portfolio return. What is this? Portfolio return 0, 0, 0. For ticker, for predictor, if ticker in predict. Question about this. It is used in the calculate equality weighted index. So just final, it's the final function. It should have problem. Paste it and reversion code. Just check if you can copy the modified code in the file. Click on this button. Right, talk.py. Be sure to click when you finish. Revised code. So there's no changing them. No worries, I just need to reestablish. Yes. What does it mean? Sorry. So it asks us to, so just one final question about the calculate portfolio return. Calculate portfolio return. Calculate equally weighted portfolio return between two dates. So just delete the nodes and ask the solution. And we need to say, do it by myself. Struct data, take data strings and the previous strings, previous date, return Ticker for predictor. If ticker in predictor holder equals to the price, so we close this app. If ticker in price ticker return equals to the predict state ticker its value divided value minus 1. The function whether the function return is correct, divide number stock. If ticker in, it will return. If not, it is a 0. Wait till extra simple state. I'd like to say just type in copy. Okay. Yes. Answer no to the. If you answer no, describe Ukrainians. Use a template provided above. So we need to upload the robust coding here. So we have it going through it. And it seems that we have finished. So we have logged just to say 1, 2, 3, 4. No, divide by 2. 3 function has question, 3 function have no question. It looks weird, but it's my best to overcome it. Adjust price. So make some it works well. Well, for changing the structure of the dictionary. Yes, it works well, changing function. Calculate the index. I have no idea. So that's all about project 1. We have done that. It contains maybe 5 hours, 6 hours or so. So let's all goodbye.